Hello everyone, welcome to Fish World Aquariums. Today we'll be talking about the basic care guide for rosy minnows. Rosy minnows are a fairly easy fish to take care of. They honestly don't need much attention or anything, like care-wise or cleaning the aquarium. They can grow to about 4 inches, which is a fairly decent size. It usually takes them a little while to get there. They grow their fastest when they're younger, obviously. They come in different colors too, like this type of rosy minnow is what you buy at some stores like Petco. And they usually have a mix between this colored rosy minnow, which is like the actual rosy minnow, or this one, which is kind of lost its color over the time. They are very easy to feed too. I feed them this, which is Tetra Fish Tropical Flakes. Goldfish flakes. They're just standard goldfish flakes. You can honestly feed them pretty much any sort of flake food. Maybe when they get a little bit bigger, pellets too. They are definitely a little bit destructive because they will try to eat pretty much everything that fits in their mouth, so you will want to watch out for that, especially if you have like a delicate planted aquarium. Probably don't want to get these. And they don't have a lot of color too. They're mostly dull, even the rosy ones for the most part, but they're just easy and cheap. And if you do want to breed them to feed your fish, like bigger fish, because you just don't want to keep going to the store and buying them, they do lay eggs, so you probably won't be able to see it. Yeah, you can't see it, but on that rock there's some eggs, and I have a, they probably won't hatch. I wasn't planning on breeding them, but yeah, if you did want to do that, I would take the eggs off the rock or whatever. Take the rock and put them in a different aquarium, or when the fry hatch, scoop them out, or maybe scoop the bigger fish out. So the big fish don't eat the fry, which is very likely because when eggs hatch, they're usually very, very small. So yeah. So if you want to tell the difference between the male and female, it's usually pretty hard. They have, like, on the back fin there, I don't know if you can see that, but on the females it's like a little further back. I didn't really do that. When you buy them from the store, they usually have some males and females together, so you're very likely to get some males and females. You can watch some more videos about how to tell the male and female apart. There is no really easy way. It takes some experience. But yeah, I have 2 filters in here. This one, can't really see it, but that one has some filter cube media in there. This one does not. I just used it to add oxygen and current to the water, but yeah, they don't really need much filtration. They do produce a lot of waste, but it sinks to the bottom and doesn't really cloud up the water that bad, so that's kind of nice. They will be a little aggressive if you have other small guppies in the tank. I would really just keep them with, I have some goldfish in here and stuff like that. They're fine together. I'm probably going to put them in the pond. That's another super nice thing about rosy minnows, is they can go to really cold temperatures. I have this aquarium at 68 degrees Fahrenheit, but that's really just for the plants, which I grew from seed. You can keep them, with ice on the pond, which is super nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it for how to care for them. They don't need really any specific pH or water hardness. When you buy them from the store, they're usually in a fairly poor condition, just because they're packed in tanks for feeder fish, so sometimes they'll be a little timid when you first put them in the aquarium, but they'll usually come out of that and start swimming around.